So today we are going to do 3 easy science experiments. So Shahan will show you how to do it. Let's start.
Guys, first activity, we are going to show you something. See, it's a glass of water. Wait, no, the glass of water isn't coming out. Do you want to know why? I will say it to you. First, for that, we need a glass of water and a transparent sheet, scissors, pen. First, we need to take our glass and just trace out a circle of the glass on the transparent sheet and cut it out. And your template will look like this, and place just above the water, so you can't see it. Just it's because it's transparent. Then just flip the glass and see the water doesn't come back. And when we touch it, we move it, the water came back slowly. Okay, so this is the activity. Now let's go for the second experiment. For our third experiment, we need a glass, soap solution, little sugar and a straw. First, we need to take a little water in the glass. So after taking water, we need a soap solution. Pour it in the water. After pouring the soap solution, we need a little sugar, 1 tablespoon of sugar. We need a little bit of sugar. Then we have to mix the mixture very well. So guys, we have mixed the mixture well. Then we want to take a little mixture and we need a plain surface. So we are taking a board, exam board here, and we need to spread our soap solution all over the exam board or the platform you are using, like this. So we need to spread well. So we have spread the mixture. Now we need to take a straw and we need to spread the mixture over the straw also, but not over the area we are going to blow, because then he will eat the soap solution. Then after that, dip the straw just a little on the water and just place it in the platform like this straw and blow it. You could see bubbles coming. Oh, so we are using the sugar because to make the bubble too harder so it doesn't break. So let me switch off the fan so that it works well. So guys, we have switched off the fan. Now just we want to blow air. So after blowing one bubble, we want to blow another bubble inside one. So I will make and show it to you. So guys, I have made one thing. I will show it to you. I think you could see the balloon. So guys, I have made it. I will show you how many balloons are there. 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 4 balloons. So guys, bye.
Hope you like this video. If you liked it, please like, share and subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon so that you get notified when we upload videos. See you in the next video. Bye.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's